Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will look into a common issue that we come across very often. That is, all the blocks on your calendar are not blocking your availability. So let's take a look into this and see why this happens and how to fix it. So let's head over to the calendar. So for example, let's say let's say 11th of November, you have a event in your office. Let's go ahead and call it something like Team Strategy and Innovation Day. You go ahead and mark your day or your calendar as a all-day event, and to go ahead and make sure that you do not get any meetings scheduled during the particular meetings or the event that you have in your office. So you go ahead, add a all-day event on your calendar and save it. Now, the event has been added, but yeah, if we go ahead and take a look, the 11th of November is still available. Let's refresh the page as well to be sure. And yep, 11th of November is still available. So let's take a look to see what happened. Let's head back to the calendar. So click on the event. So what happens is all the blocks on your calendar by default are always treated as free. So you will need to go ahead, manually mark the event as busy. And once done, this goes ahead and blocks your calendar availability. Let's head back to the calendar, refresh the link, and yep, there you go. 11th of November is now blocked. So please remember, whenever adding a all-day block on your calendar, please confirm that it is marked to be treated as busy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.